Hey guys, Michael Allen here, co-founder of Buzz Media Network, and I am making a video to show you how to set up your BuzzTrakr page. This is going to be the updated version, and I'm going to start from logging in all the way to setting up your page. So what you want to do is you want to go to buzzmedianetwork.com. I'll even type it in so you see buzzmedianetwork.com right up there. Enter. It's going to bring you to this page here. Let me mute this video. Okay. Alright. So then you come up here and you go to log in. This is how you log into your back office. You have to log into your back office to be able to set up your page. So I'm going to log in. Now, if you don't already know, up here you're going to see what your status is. If you're a pro, it'll show up as pro whenever we officially launch and we're out of beta mode. Then, if you have upgraded to pro, or if you're pro plus, it'll show that there. But for right now, we're still in beta, so it's just going to show free, pro, or if you're a co-founding member or a co-founder. But what we're going to do is we come down here to these tabs on the side, BuzzTrakr. This is how you're going to set up your BuzzTrakr page. This is also how you get to your autoresponder to set that up, withdraw your money. But we can talk about autoresponders later. We do have a training video in the back office right here under Training Center. You can go there and check out your autoresponder there, but if you need help with that, just send me a message and I'll help you. But click on BuzzTrakr, and it's going to open up your page here. Now I've got multiple pages because I do the training and I help people set up their pages, so I have to have quite a few pages. But what you're going to want to do is, if you have the one page or if you have the 4 pages, then they're all going to show up down here. They will probably look like this down here: get paid, be seen, be heard, just for a basic look until you get something set up. But you're going to come over here to where it says edit, and so you're going to edit each page. To check out your page, if you just come into the back office and you want to look at the page real quick, you can hit your page ID and it'll come up with that page. But we're going to set this up, so what we want to do is hit edit, and that's going to bring up our BuzzTrakr editor. Okay, so you're going to come up with a page like this. Now the first thing I do is I click this link, because this is going to be the link that you give to people to look at your page. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to have that open. I'm going to leave it open, and what I'm also going to do is open up another page, so I have a blank page set up. Because actually, what I'm going to do is just go to YouTube, because that's where I have my videos right now. We are planning on having the functionality of being able to upload your videos straight to Buzz Media Network for your BuzzTrakr page, but for right now we're just working off links. So you're going to come to a page like this, and we're just going to go step by step. Here's your page title. As you can see, mine says the Buzz 100 Club right here, which I'm going to switch this back to Michael Allen. Okay? And I can change the color of this if I want, but I'm going to leave it here, and I'm going to hit save. You can do a whole page and then hit save. I highly suggest that after every one of these steps that you do, hit save, because I have done this before, done a whole page, and then I went off that page and I forgot to save it, and all that work was lost. And I mean, if you go into video info and you write down something that is just absolutely perfect, and all this information was absolutely perfect, and you forgot to save it, it's really hard to reword what you already have there unless you have it saved. But like I said, just go ahead and save it. And then you can come over here to the page that you already opened and refresh the page. See, right over here, it says the Buzz 100 Club, and I changed that to Michael Allen. So now I'm going to hit reload. And now you see it's changed. Also, for changing the color on the title, mine's yellow. As you can see though, that's going to make your email button, that text is going to be yellow, the about me is going to be yellow, about this video, and also share video, get paid. And them are going to be all off of your title color. So just remember that whenever you're plugging that in. So we got that changed. And now it says background image URL. Now you can use this browse button to upload off of your computer or your laptop, whatever you're using. Or a lot of people are doing it on the phone too. We do have that functionality. But if you don't want to upload it, if you find a picture or you have a picture on PhotoBucket, you can use that as well. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another page and just Google something. Cool backgrounds. I type that in, I go to images, and let's say I wanted to use this. Wait for it to load. Kind of like that better. Okay, I wait for it to load. It's all loaded. Now if I right click it and I hit copy image location right here, it's going to copy that URL, and I can come back here to my back office and I can paste that. I can paste it right in here and hit save, and it will. I'm not gonna change anything on here because I have it set up, but you can come back here, refresh your page, and it's going to change your background. Now, the thing about doing it that way is I highly suggest that you just save the picture to your computer, because if somebody removes this picture off the internet, then it's going to change to whatever picture they have up that they changed it to, or it's just going to come up as you're not going to have a background. So I highly suggest that you save the photo and then hit browse and upload it that way. Now, I'll do this. If you hit over here, this is going to tile. I'm sure a lot of you already know what tile is, but I'll just do it real quick. I clicked it, I hit save, and it's just going to tile my background. I reload. And as you can see, since my image was larger, it made bigger tiles, which it doesn't really look good on this. But if you have a smaller image, it'll make smaller tiles. And I mean, sometimes it looks good. It depends on what you're putting in there. Also, you can do GIF files, and you can have an animated background. So that's something to keep in mind if you want it to be a little flashier. But I'm going to go ahead and take my tile off because I don't want it tiled. And we're going to come down here to video URL. Now this is where you're going to go to YouTube, and soon we're going to be able to upload straight off our computer instead of having to download it or upload it to YouTube. But what I do is, here, I have this open already. If I wanted to put Luke Martin's video in, or if this was my video, I can either take this, copy it, or I can come down here to share, and I can take this and copy it. Now all you do is come back over here and paste it in here, hit save, go to your page and refresh, and that is going to be, as you can see, we're working on video number 1 of 4. So that's going to be this video right here. Your first video is also the autoplay video. So keep that in mind. Whenever you put your first video in there, you want something that is going to draw their attention and make them watch your other 3 videos. So just keep that in mind. Let's go on down to video thumbnail image. You can do the same thing like you did with the background. You can upload a picture, and your thumbnail image is going to be the pictures on here, the 4 pictures I have. But this one will be for your first video. All this information is just for your first video, except for send to a friend and about me, because it's the same for all 4. But you're going to put the picture off your computer, or if you want to do what I was saying earlier, you can come over here and copy the image location. But I just highly suggest that you save it to your computer and just upload. It's a lot easier, and you won't have to worry about changing it if you don't want to change it. If that's what you like, then you'll be set. So just do that, browse, find your file, upload it, and it's going to put your thumbnail in. Now, you want to make sure that you look at those, because sometimes the thumbnails can be different sizes, and you're going to want your thumbnails to be the same size, because sometimes the picture will be longer and it'll just look weird. So be sure that you have, make sure you look at that, and if you need help resizing anything, just let me or Mark Henderson know, because we'll be more than happy to help you with that and show you how to do that. It's very easy to do in Paint. But that's the thumbnail. Now for the video thumbnail title, I have here Who is Michael Allen, and as you can see, that's right under the thumbnail, Who is Michael Allen. You can also change the color of that. I have mine in black. I think that's the standard, but you can change that if you want. And then here, URL for the Take Me There button. Okay, this is the button I'm going to show you right here. Take Me There. That's going to be your redirect button to whatever website you want. Now for each video, this redirect button is going to be different. So if you want to take them all to the same sign up page or whatever page you're taking them to, just be sure you change that or put that in for every video. So right now I have mine to my Buzz Media Network sign up page for them to sign up for Buzz Media Network and BuzzTrakr. But if you want, you can also change it from saying Take Me There. You can say my sign up page, get started today, whatever it is you want. Also, like I said before we logged into BuzzTrakr, you have an autoresponder. Now if you click autoresponder, this is going to take away the Take Me There button. This is going to, you're still going to be able to put in your address for where you want them to be sent, but you're going to have your autoresponder set up right down here instead of that button, and it's going to say first name, last name, email address, go. And once they hit go, their information is going to be placed into your autoresponder, so they'll be on your autoresponder messages that you're sending out, and they're going to be directed to whatever page that you have set up in there for the Take Me There. But just to have that, put the autoresponder on there, just check autoresponder, hit save, and then that box will appear there. And go back to your main page, refresh it, and it'll change. If you need help with your autoresponder, like I said, get a hold of me or Mark, and we'll be more than happy to walk you through it and show you. Also, you have that information in the training center. Now, for video info, this is going to be on the right hand side about this video, and I have all mine right here. All you have to do, type in whatever you want. Now remember, you have a box here. Now, everything that you type in is going to be between these lines. Well, if you have a really lengthy message, it's going to go outside of this box. So you want to make sure that you don't go overboard and write a book inside this about the video. Just kind of let them know what's going on. I mean, I could write twice as much as I have here, a little over that, and still be okay, but just letting you know that it will go outside of this box if you have too much. You can change the color of the font that you have there. Just type in, I have white, you can do blue, yellow, orange, green, black, pink, you know, whatever color. Now, here on send to a friend, that's going to be this information right over here on the left hand side. This is going to be the same for all 4 videos. So you can leave it as the default, or you can put in a message letting people know that they can send your page to their email list, or to anybody on their email. They can be like, hey, I like this page, I want to send an email real quick. I'll just click this button right here, send page to a friend, put in the email address, and hit send, and it'll send them your link and show them the page. And like I said, that'll be the same for all 4 pages, so you only have to type that in once. And the About Me, which is below that, that's going to be the same for all 4 pages as well. So just kind of let people know who you are, what it is you do. If you have a business, if you're in a band, if you bake cakes, whatever it is you do, just kind of give them a little heads up of who you are and what it is you do. You can change the color on that as well. And right here, you can put in an avatar. If you have a WordPress account, I think I can, I'm going to show you that real quick. I'll flip a couple pages here. Right here. Okay? I have my picture right here in the About Me section. So if you have a WordPress account, or if you don't, and you want to know how to put your avatar picture in there, let us know. We'll help you do that as well. But if you have one, click that avatar button. It'll take you to your WordPress, and all you have to do is select the photo that you want to use, and away you go. And I think before too long, we might even be able to have a browse upload button, so you can put your picture in that way. And then you want to save and refresh. Now that's how you do the page. Now that's video 1 of 4. To go to the second video, all you do is hit next video and do the exact same thing. Your link's going to be the same. You don't have to worry about clicking that again. But just put in all the information for your second video. Do exactly what you did with the first one. Then click next video for 3 out of 4. Next video for 4 out of 4. Make sure you save everything. And if you have multiple pages, once you get done with putting all that information for all 4 videos, you have your backgrounds up, you have all your links, your direct links in, and you're ready to make another page. If you have paid for that, it's just right here, page ID. Right under there, you'll have your user ID, and it'll say next page. Click that, and it'll take you to the whole new setup. Or you can do it that way, which is the easiest. Or you can just come back here and hit edit for whichever one of these you want. So that is how you set up your BuzzTrakr page. It's very easy. Be sure that you mess around with it, get used to it, because you can set up a page in anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, it's that easy. And if you have all your pages open, if you have your YouTube URLs saved in a notepad or something, and it's even quicker. So however you want to do it. Below here, we're going to have a way to swipe people's pages, and that'll give them more attraction to their page. It'll give them more traffic, as well as it'll help you money-wise for swiping people's videos and getting them exposure. So, okay, well, I'm going to wrap this up. That is how you set up your BuzzTrakr page. That's everything that we have right now. If there is any more upgrade or updates here soon, I will make another video, but I hope this helps, and I will talk to you all soon.